Hello, welcome to Virtual Football League app with Blazer and Radzen, part 10. In this lesson, I'm going to add player ID property to season fixture and virtual league result classes. So right now, I have the project database opened in Management Studio, and we have tables that have been generated for security. So let's look at the structure of ASP.NET users table. So we have ID, which is the primary key, whose data type is NVACA 450. So what I'm going to do now is I'll right click on season fixtures table. I'll go to design. So I'm going to add a property to seasons fixture table, whose data type is player ID. So I'm going to make the data type NVACA 450. And I'm going to click save. Now, let me check if I have data inside season fixtures table. So select top 1000 rows. I have data. I'm going to truncate the data in this table. So I'm going to write truncate table. Season fixtures. So let's see. Okay, command completed successfully. So now I can come here to I can come back to the design view of the season fixtures table. This time around, now I can make player ID to be compulsory. Let me change this. Okay, so I'm going to save. Following tables will be saved to your database. Do you want to continue? Yes. Also, I want to create a relationship between ASP.NET users table and player ID. I want to create a relationship between ASP.NET users table and season fixtures table. So how do I create a relationship? I right click, then I click on relationships, and I click on add. So then I'll go to tables and column specification. I'll click on the ellipsis. So now the primary key table will be ASP.NET users, and the column that will be selected under ASP.NET users will be ID. Foreign key table is already selected for you, which is 16 fixtures, and the column that will be selected under season fixture will be player ID. So I'll click on OK. Then I click on close. Now I'll click on season fixtures. I'll right click on season fixtures, then I'll click on save season fixtures. The following tables will be saved to your database. Do you want to continue? Yes. Now I'll go to virtual league results. Again, let me right click on it. Let me click on select top 1000 rows. So there is no data in this table right now. So straight away I can go ahead and make the modification I want to make to it. So I right click on virtual league results, select design. So I'm going to add player ID column. That type is NVACA 450. Since there is no data in this table, I can immediately make player ID column to be compulsory. So I click on save virtual league results. The following tables will be saved to your database. Do you want to continue? So I click on yes. Now it's time to create relationship again. So I right click and I'll select relationships. I'll click on add. Then we're going to select the ellipses by table column and table and column specification. Primary key table will be ASP.NET users, and the column that I'm going to select will be ID. Foreign key table will be VirtualLeagueResults, and selected column will be PlayerID. So I click OK, then I click close. Then the next thing I'm going to do will be to save this table, VirtualLeagueResults. So the following tables will be saved to your database. Do you want to continue? I click yes. Now the next thing I'm going to do will be to bring up Radzen. So here I'm going to search for Radzen. This Radzen. So I click on Radzen to open it. Alright, so I have my Virtual League app. I'll click on it to open it. So now that I've opened it, I need to sync the schema in Radzen with the changes that I've just made in SQL Server. So how do I do that? So I'll go to data, I'll double click on data, then I'll click on Infer schema. Then I'm going to select all tables. Just make sure all tables are selected. Then I'll click on finish. We double click on it again. Okay, include the ASP.NET tables, it's already there. Infer schema. Okay. I'll click on finish. Then to ensure that everything is fine, then I'll click on run. Radzen generating code generation done. So let me click stop. So I want to verify that the changes have been made. So I'm going to go to models under my server application. Let me open Condata folder. So we made changes to SeasonFixtures and VirtualLeagueResults database. We made changes to SeasonFixtures table and VirtualLeagueResults table. So season fixture. So here we have our newly added property PlayerID in SeasonFixture. How about VirtualLeagueResults? We also have the PlayerID column. So this is the end of the lesson for today. Thank you for watching.